G'day folks, Ben here from Catch Pro. Today I want to talk to you about the seat on this stand-on mower. So this is a Spartan, be coming into Australia under the Bush Ranger name. Now a lot of people, there's been models and brands that have done this before, but a lot of people have said to us, why would you put a seat on a stand-on? So, everyone will have their basic opinion from the brand's point of view and from an operator's point of view. Really what you're getting now is the best of both worlds. So I want to run through some features, show how it comes off, maybe the times that you'll use it and so forth. So first we'll just start standing on it. So I mean, to hop on, it's, obviously you do have a seat there, but it's really not much of a big deal. So a lot of the times, when I'm using this machine, which is full time at the moment, in any of smaller areas or hilly areas or whatever, most of the time I am standing up. But when you get wide open in a paddock like this, you're able to just sit back. And if you come back here and have a look, from my operating stance down to where I sit, so I kind of have this all jacked up. I have it jacked right up, so it's kind of like, if I just want to take a sit, there's not a lot of movement there. I'm still nice and high above the machine, so I sort of get those benefits still of being able to see everything around. Now, Spartan, from my point of view, really did their homework when developing this seat. So it's super cushiony. You've got shock coils here. You can do all sorts of things with this seat. So you can have this back, you can lift this up, you can then tilt this. So lots and lots of different options to get this customized to the way that you feel comfortable. So we will, basically, to take this off, they say 10 to 30 seconds or whatever. Basically it's just a soft knob here that you take off. So back that off, and basically I just give it a bit of a wiggle, and out she comes. Now, what I tend to do on properties is, if I'm, I basically have the seat on all the time. If I've got any properties that have some lower lying trees, maybe hills are not that much of an issue because you can still stand. But if I've got lower hanging trees and stuff like that, I usually do remove the seat because it allows me to get down if I need to get underneath those trees. When the seat is there, that it really would prevent you from doing that. So that's, most of the time I take that off, in those environments. But to put the thing back on, and it can be a little bit fiddly at first, but essentially you just have these grooves here that you line up. So it just goes in like that. That's pretty much it. And then you reinstall this knob. So very, very, very quick to take on and off. So look, overall guys, if anyone wants to know anything about this seat, is it a positive, is it a negative? I definitely believe it's a positive. Now, it is true, most people will buy a stand on so that they can stand, have that core engaged. But with this seat, really, I do believe you're getting the best of both worlds. You've still got a small compact machine, but on big nice properties, you do really have the option now to sit back, and thus saying get the best of both worlds. So check them out guys, Spartan mowers. These aren't here yet in Australia, but they will be here, hopefully by next season. Hope you enjoyed the video, and feel free to ask us any questions. Thank you.